Good morning dear students. In this video I will teach you chapter number 2, playing with numbers. Now in this chapter first of all we will learn what are factors. What are factors? In earlier classes like class 4 and 5 you are familiar with this word factors. What are factors? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now I will repeat. What are factors? A factor of a number. A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that numbers. I will take some examples. Suppose that I have taken this number and this is divisor, this is quotient. Now divide the number 2 7 ja 14. You can see after subtraction we have remainder 0. This is remainder. We have remainder 0. Again taking another example, 5 7 ja 35. Again the remainder is 0. Some more examples. 3 1 ja 3. 3 1 ja 3. And again remainder is 0. 5 1 ja 5. 5 4 ja 20. And the remainder is 0. So we have seen that when a number divide the given number, completely, these numbers are called factors. To know about the factors properly you have to learn the tables. So I will take some other way to make you understand. Suppose that taking some numbers, I have taken some numbers. Now find out what is the factor of 1. So factor of 1 is only 1. Factor of 2 is only 1 and 2. Factor of 1 and 3 is 1 and 3. Factors of 1 4 is 1 2 and 4. Factor of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 6 are 1 2 3 and 6. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. Factors of 8 are 1 2 4 and 8. So it is clearly that some factors have less factors and some have more factors. Suppose that 8 have 4 factors, 7 have only 2, 5 have only 2, 3 2 have only 2, 1 has only 1 factor, 4 has 3 factors, 6 have 4 factors, like this way. Now taking some more numbers, 15 20 25 50 100 70 30 and 90. Now actually in the factors we have to find out those numbers which can divide the given number completely. Suppose that if we divide the number by 1, remainder will be 0. By 3, remainder will be 0. If 15 is divided by 5, remainder will be 0. And so on. 15 divided by 15, remainder will be 0. So these are factors of 15. Continue with this process. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 and 25. 1, 5 and 25. For 50, 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. For 100, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. For 70, 1, 2 and 5, 7, 10, 17. Now 35 and 70. For 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Properties of factors. I will teach you some properties of factor. Property 1. Property 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Property 1. 1 is a factor of every number. Means suppose that I will take some example. 5, 10, 15 and 15. Now find out the factors of 5, 1 and 5. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20 and 40. Factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. According to the property, 1 is a factor of every number. You can see whatever we have taken the number, 1 is always dividing the given number. So according to property, we can say that 1 can divide any of the number. Property number 2. Property number 2. What? Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. We will understand this more. Every number is a factor of itself. For example, 5, 7, 10, 15. Now 5 multiplied by 1, 7 multiplied by 1, 10 multiplied by 1, 15 multiplied by 1. So we can see that every number can be expressed in this way. Every number can be expressed in this way. Now property number 3. Property number 3. In this property, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of a number. Listen again carefully. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of a number. Taking some example as we have taken earlier, 7 5 35, remainder is 0. 20 divided by 5, 5 4 20. Property number 4. In this property, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Listen again. According to the property 4, every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. How? Suppose that I have taken number 10. Find out the factors of 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. Some other example, 15. 1, 3, 5, 15 for 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Example 5, 1 and 5, 9, 1, 3 and 9. Now first again we will go to our property. Every factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. Suppose that this is 10. So you can see all the factors of 10 are less than 10. All the factors of 15 are less than 15. All the factors of 20 are less than 20. All the factors of 5 are less than 5. All the factors of 9 are less than 9. You can see no factors are greater than this given number. For 10, 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, 5, 5, 9, 9. So whatever we have given the number, the factors will not go or greater than the given number. So, and it is also equal to the given number. Other factors are less than the given number. Every property 5, factors of a given number are finite. Factors of given numbers are finite. It means they are limited in numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 10, 15. Find the factors of 2, 1 and 2 only. Factors of 3, 1 and 3 only. Factor of 5, 1 and 5 only. Factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factor of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. I will take one large number, 400. Factors of hundreds are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20, 25, 50 and 100. So according to this property, you understood that factors are limited in number. Suppose that 2 has 2 factors, 3 has 2 factors, 1 has 2 factors, 10 has 4 factors and 5 has 4 factors, 100 have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So some factor of 100 is 9. So it can be countable and it is finite in number. It means they are fixed. Okay, thank you very much.